Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your X or Twitter theme into dark mode. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your X or Twitter theme into dark mode, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your X or Twitter app. And after opening your Twitter, next, you will need to go to your Twitter settings, since that's where we can change our theme into dark mode. So to open your settings, first, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And after that, you will now be able to see the settings and support option right here. Just go and tap it. And then select settings and privacy. And after that, you will now be on your settings. So to turn on your Twitter dark mode here on settings, I want you to scroll down until you see the accessibility display and languages option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And then select display. And here on the display section, you will now be able to see the dark mode option right here, so just go and tap it. And then you can now turn it on. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the theme of your Twitter will now be changed into dark mode just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.